Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn one new thing that is called Index.php issue in the Wordpress URL. See this URL here, we can see the Index.php in the website URL. This is not a like user friendly, SEO friendly for the to get the ranking in the Google crawl. So we need to remove that this issue. This is actually from like based upon the themes by default settings. This issue is coming now. What is the possibilities to remove this index.php from the URL? Now go to the your page, like your admin page. Here, like in the from the to change the any settings, we need to go to the settings, click on settings. Here we have two main like few settings: general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, and privacy. All the styles and links position is handling by the permalinks. You need to click on permalinks. From here, this is the custom settings, common settings we have. From here, like we need to select the plain. Here we have some options: the plain, day and name, month and name, numeric, post name, and the custom structure. From here, like here, the theme is the what I installed. The theme is they are selected. This as a default by default. Now remove these all things. Select and remove. Now only select post name. This will be fine. Only select the post name and save changes. Now go back to your pages list. Here you can see all pages. Click on all pages. Now click on see the opening background. See the index.php is not coming in the URL. Check one more website, one more page. Open in background and see. See, earlier we have the index.php like in our URL. Now it's removed. So is it like this way we can remove .php index.php from the website. In this way we can remove index.php from the URL. You can like if anyone is facing the issue with the URL index.php, please you go through these our steps. You can resolve that issue, and that is also not a user SEO friendly. Please remove it from your URLs. If anyone who is having in their website who is watching in our video, please remove that. That is not a like SEO friendly.